Hi there, this is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolé Gabrielle here from Elevated Planet, and we'd like to welcome you to today's show. And we have some really great stuff in store for you, and John is going to tell us a little bit more about it.
Thank you very much, Jolé. And yes, we have a council of ascended masters addressing you today. So it doesn't get much better than that. We like to get out for the heavy hitters to address our community. So this last section we have part 5 is leading directly into Jolé's guided meditation visualization. So once the Sara Landon's words come to an end and the Ascended Master's words come to an end, then you will hear Jolé and listen to the magic of her meditation. Here we go.
It is time, dear Master, to come into harmony with all of you. Realization is the integration of every part of you, all that is you, all that is within you, and all that is available to you. As you come into harmony with all of you, you come into the powerful force of true creation that allows anything and everything that is possible for you to be manifested through you. It is also time to come into harmony with all that is. Come into harmony with nature, the land, the animals, the plants, the air, and the water. Come into harmony with your beloved human family. Come into harmony with the infinite intelligence all around you. Come into harmony with your soul, your spirit, and your soul family. And come into harmony with the source, the heavens, and the stars. As you come into harmony, there is well-being, there is abundance, and there is freedom, love, peace, and inspiration. It is all here for you now. The greatest dream you could dream for your beloved human family is that of love, joy, peace, abundance, well-being, freedom, beauty, and harmony for all. In this dream, you live in harmony with one another, with nature, with all that is, and by coming together in the awareness of your oneness, there is even more of everything for everyone. There is a dream within your heart for this realization to become your reality. But to have this dream manifest, you must realize it first for yourself. As you realize it for yourself, and as you see your dreams come true, you make it possible for all of humankind to do the same. Embody the love that you are as that which you call God. In this, you are allowing your infinite worth. You are allowing your infinite abundance. You are allowing your infinite well-being. You are allowing your infinite love. You are allowing the infinite intelligence that has never forgotten who you are or why you are here and all that is possible for you. This is the force that creates worlds. You are the force that creates worlds. And dear Master, know that all of humanity carries this seed of potential within them. As you become aware of it, those seeds begin to grow. As you shine your light, those seeds begin to sprout and blossom. Soon enough, you will have created a beautiful garden, and all will begin to realize the power, the love, and the light within you and within them. This is why you are here. This is why we are here. We come forth because we promised we would. May you realize the power within you. May you realize that you are everything you wish to be. You already are. It is all within you, and it always has been. May you know the light that you are. May you create your masterpiece. You are us. We are you, and we could not love you more. We love you. We love you. We love you.
So please put your feet flat on the floor and your palms face up on your thighs, and begin to breathe with the rhythm of your body. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest and command your heartbeat to sync up with your breath. And from this space of love, you're going to command your heart and all of the cells within your body to turn heart-shaped, which represents loving energy. And as your blood and your atoms move throughout your body, bringing love and peace to all of your organs and systems, take a moment and command the bottoms of your feet to open like the lens of a camera and pull in 15% earth energy of a color that resonates with you. Is it red for courage? Is it orange for creativity? Yellow for power and glory? Is it green for love and compassion? Or is that blue, indigo for truth and expansiveness? Or is it the purple of the center of the head, of more enlightenment, sanity? Or maybe it's the white and the clear, or the silver of divine life force energy, and how it relates to Mother Earth. But whatever it is, allow for that to pool in the bottoms of your feet, 15% of it, and travel up the side channels of your legs as you then command your crown to open all the way, and for cosmic gold life force energy, command it from the heavens to cascade down into your cranium as that gold light moves through the skull and through all the tissue and the layers before it gets to that gray matter. And as it begins to saturate the folds and realign the synapses and the neurons in support of you, the left and the right brain lets go of their duality and they become one as that energy and that gold light starts to trickle down that spine, lighting up those nerves, working out any disease, any illness, any virus in the system, any bacteria, any germs that we believe in, moving them out and down that grounding cord as each vertebra lights up, giving us new life, mixing in with that earth energy. And then that essence begins to fill us up like water fills up a cup as our energy grounds itself into Mother Earth. And automatically golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles come in to clean off our grounding cord of anything that no longer serves us, anything we're ready to let go of and release, as we pull our aura in to be 1.5 feet around us, and our higher self stands at the power position at a comfortable distance above our crown. As that gold light rains down up on the higher self, and the ego knows to default from the messages and guidance of the higher self, as that earth energy and that cosmic gold life force energy comes together and starts to sprout out your feet, hands, and crown chakras, filling up that aura layer, lighting up those pictures, that fear, that shame, that guilt, and those experiences in our life that we see swirling around in our aura layer that are our triggers. And I hear, well, I can't see, but you can feel or you can hear. And you can feel that mucky, dirty, nasty, heavy energy that sits on your aura. And so that earth energy and that gold light is there to clean it off. So bring it into the areas to the right, in front of you, in front of your heart, where you may feel that grief or that heaviness, or to the left of you, where the grief and the heaviness and the heart may be, and to the right of you, where that duality may lie, or whatever is in that aura layer. Those experiences and those pictures, those triggers are connected to a pattern within you. Ask the divine to detach and unlock and untrigger the trigger, remove and resolve the pattern so those pictures fall away. And that social engineering, that fear, that shame, that guilt is released, and that gold light goes into those places and gives you a new perspective, a new understanding, a new attitude, a new way of doing things. As you bring your awareness back into your chest and make sure that energy is flowing through you is the energy of love and compassion and forgiveness. As you remember who you are, and these pictures work themselves out in these patterns of jealousy, fear, shame, guilt, worry that don't belong to you, are moved down and out your energy as you pulsate and emanate with love. And we see this love, this gold light and this earth energy mixing in with your loving energy, pushing out into that aura layer and creating this loving electricity, because your aura is now clean and filled with gold light, and you're in the present moment as this loving electricity begins to spark off your aura layer, and it begins to light up that toroidal field. And as you see this beautiful grid of energy around you, and above it is that capstone from the divine, that's your unique signature. As the journey is building, you see the builders take the bricks from the top of your pyramid, bringing them to the bottom, building this journey. As you sit in the space of your dreams, what does your sovereignty look like? What does your liberation look like? What does optimal health feel like? What do loving relationships and partnerships where you're on the same page and you're flowing? Feel those feelings as you say to the energy that you're releasing, as well as the energy that you're bringing in, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. As you move out that energy that no longer serves you, realize that it taught you a lesson. It gave you what you needed to bring you into that next level and frequency. Bid that jealousy farewell, that fear. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, as you move it out of your body and you move that gold light of peace and of love and of courage and of fearlessness in, as that energy propagates throughout your body, throughout your aura layer, magnetizing out into that toroidal field, locking into that pyramid as that white light from the heaven comes down through that capstone, through that pyramid, through the toroidal field, through your higher self and that gold light, through your aura layer, down through your crown, lighting up your spine, down through that grounding cord and into Mother Earth. As you take a deep breath in, you exhale, and you hold a space for your freedom and your sovereignty, as all of this earth energy, this cosmic divine life force energy, your higher self, your toroidal field, the beautiful capstone, the white light, the gold light, the grounding cord, the aura layer, all of it is working for your highest good as you sit in the feelings and the energy of your sovereignty in this lifetime, on this earth plane, on all planes, on all levels, all lifetimes. Feel the energy of your liberation and your freedom. What does it feel like? Are you on a stallion? Are you on the horse, running through the forest? Are you on a boat, moving through the waves? Are you on a plane? What are you doing? Are you swimming? Are you running? Are you loving? Are you smelling flowers? Whatever it is that represents your freedom, feel those feelings. Feel your freedom. Feel your optimal health. Feel your peace. Feel your love. Feel your joy as this energy runs throughout your body. magnetizing you, connecting you to all that is in the energy of creation as you align with your freedom. As you sit in your heart, take a deep breath in, exhale, and when you're ready, you can close your feet, hands, and crown chakras and stop running energy. Take a deep breath in as you see that energy subside back into Mother Earth, the gold light go back into the heavens, with that white light from the divine connecting you to the heavens and to earth, maintains itself. You stay grounded and rooted. Your aura is 1.5 feet around you. Your higher self stands at the power position above you, and your astral body is snapped in. As you pulsate with this love throughout your day, and you allow for this energy to settle in your body, knowing that you are in the present moment, you are healed, and you are free. Take a deep breath in, exhale, stay in your heart, and when you are ready, you can open your eyes.
Beautiful. I love that. Thank you, Jolé.